Unraveling the knots of trust. Understanding undermined trust. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're going to dive into an essential aspect of personal and professional relationships, trust. Specifically, we'll explore the phrase, undermined trust, what it means, how it happens, and its profound impact on relationships. So, let's get started and unravel the complexities of trust together. Undermined trust refers to a situation where the confidence or belief in a person or institution has been weakened or damaged. This erosion of trust doesn't usually happen overnight. Instead, it's often the result of consistent patterns of behavior or specific incidents that lead one to doubt the integrity, ability, or character of another. Understanding this concept is crucial because trust is the foundation of all relationships, whether they are personal, professional, or societal. Trust can be undermined in various ways, and it's important to recognize these to prevent or address the erosion of trust. Some common ways include: 1. Broken promises. When someone consistently fails to keep their word, it signals unreliability. 2. Lack of transparency. Withholding information or being deceitful can quickly erode trust. 3. Inconsistent actions. Actions speak louder than words. Inconsistency between what one says and does can be damaging. 4. Neglecting needs. Ignoring or dismissing the needs and concerns of others shows a lack of respect and care. The consequences of undermined trust are profound and far-reaching. 1. Relationship strain. Trust is the glue of all relationships. Once it's compromised, relationships can start to crumble. 2. Decreased collaboration. In workplaces or teams, a lack of trust can lead to poor cooperation and communication. 3. Emotional stress. Being in a situation where trust is compromised can be incredibly stressful and emotionally taxing. While rebuilding trust is challenging, it's not impossible. Here are some steps that can help in the process. 1. Acknowledgement. Recognizing and admitting to actions that undermined trust is the first step. 2. Open communication. Engaging in honest and transparent conversations about the issues. 3. Consistent behavior. Showing through actions over time that one is reliable and trustworthy. 4. Patience. Understanding that rebuilding trust takes time and cannot be rushed. Understanding undermined trust is vital as it affects every aspect of our lives. Whether you're working on personal growth, nurturing relationships, or aiming for professional success, being mindful of the trust factor is key. We hope this exploration helps you navigate your relationships with greater awareness and empathy. Remember, while trust is delicate, with care and commitment, it can be rebuilt. Thank you for joining us, and here's to nurturing trust in all areas of our lives.